Yo, what is going on, guys? So I got something crazy to show you guys. I got a special made order, just got it received after a month of waiting. It's from the Ukraine, and yeah, let's open it up. I don't want to fucking cut it, so I'm trying to be gentle, try to film with one hand and cut this box open. I'm so hyped to show you guys. You guys have no idea. And from the pictures, it looks like he has some quality work. Look at all this damn plastic they used to wrap it in. Jeez. Alright guys, we're almost there. I swear. I feel like this was like a prank. Like, you know when you see those YouTube videos when they prank your car or whatever and they saran wrap it? Oh my god, this has been such a hassle. I've been cutting away but trying not to cut the leather on this. So, alright, we're almost there, but I'm sure you guys can already see what it is, but let's get a little closer look. Oh my god, look at my brand new steering wheel, guys. Look at the OEM one compared to this one. Has the flat bottom, M badge, blue racing stripe, and this is the coolest thing. Look at the stitching. M stitching. That is so sick. Look how aggressive, and it has these, like, fit your thumbs perfect. It came with the paddle shifters. Oh my god. Alright guys, let's get to installing this. Let's get to it. Alright guys, let's get it. We got the steering wheel ready. We got the 16mm socket with the extension so that we can get to the bolt without it rubbing on the sides right here. And then just a flathead screwdriver, and we're going to go ahead and disconnect the battery just so that the airbag doesn't go off when we do this. So I also went inside and had to go change because I was in jeans before this, and I'm not doing it in jeans because we're going to have no air conditioning when doing all this. I had it the first time. There we go. We're just gonna disconnect my battery and then, yeah. Alright, so now that we have the negative disconnected, now we can take apart the airbag. And what I'm going for right here is that there's a little hole, there's a little slit, it's not even a hole, that you have to find, and you have to put a flathead screwdriver, and pretty much, I'll show you with this steering wheel. So this right here is a lever. If you stick your flathead screwdriver through it like this, you should be able to find it, and you want to push that clip so that it will release the airbag, and you're going to do this on both sides. And this goes for pretty much all the 3 series, so if you have an E90 or E92 or any type of 3 series, it's same procedure. Alright, so for about 5 minutes of messing around in there, you try to get both of the clips to get undone, and you're going to get behind the airbag like this, and then you're just going to take off those 2 clips behind the airbag with the flathead screwdriver, and then we're going to disconnect the controls and the airbag right there. And there's the 16mm bolt right in the middle. Alright, we just got those 2 unclipped, the flathead screwdriver, and we're going to gently put this down, make sure not to drop this. It's pretty much a grenade right there. And we're going to disconnect the 2, like I said, the controls, and then the airbag right here. Alright guys, so I'm pretty much showing you piece by piece of the process to get the steering wheel off. I would film, but it's really hard to use one hand to get these clips out. But I'm going to warn you guys that if you guys are doing this, have an E90, this one is really hard to get out of that circuit right there. So what I went ahead and did is use these and just pretty much wiggle them out. So as you can see, those things are pretty deep in there, so yeah. Alright, so we're just going to get our 16mm socket and then use our knees to just pretty much hold down the steering wheel in place. And yeah, I'll show you guys once I get this done. I would set it down, but this is a new camera and it's really small, so then it just falls forward. So I'll show you guys in just a sec when we get this one bolt off. Holy shit, from the reviews online and YouTube and stuff, they say that this isn't torqued down a lot, but from my experience, this thing is torqued down a lot. They said not to use like a power tool on it, but we finally got it loosened up. We're just gonna get this off and then put on the new one. Get this done. It's getting hot out here, guys. Easy weather is no bueno this time of year. Alright guys, so we just got this bolt off, set it right here. We're just going to pull this one completely off. Let me set my camera down. Alright guys, got the steering wheel off. Here's the hub center. And you see that little notch right there? We're going to have to line that up with the other one on the new steering wheel. Right down there. But yeah guys, wow, that looks crazy looking. I need to take a picture of this, document that. But alright guys, let's get moving forward. Alright, so I just put on the new steering wheel, and see those little notches? You have to line those two notches up and just make sure that they're all lined up, because this is your wheel column, so you don't want to move that at all. Alright guys, so we got the crispy new steering wheel on. We got the two notches lined up. Make sure to do this, because this is what's going to make your steering wheel drive straight. And yeah, that's just very important. Oh my gosh guys, this looks so amazing. All we need to do is replace this, and I got the carbon fiber wrap already. Already went ahead and started doing some of it on the sides, as you guys can see. But yeah, we're gonna do more of that. Try to get it looking a lot more aggressive. And oh my gosh guys, I am so in love with this steering wheel. It's really sunny out. It's like 120 degrees, not even bullshitting you right now. That's what I gotta live with when you live in Arizona. But let's get this tightened down. Alright, so now that we got it all tightened down, we can go ahead and plug in our airbag and then the controls as well. Let me make sure that's the right side. Controls are plugged back in. Oh my gosh guys, I can't tell you guys how excited I am to get the steering wheel on. But let's go ahead, get everything plugged in. Alright guys, so I wish I could have recorded it, but the snapping this airbag in was like the most like pleasing sound like ever. Like, oh my gosh, I'm so hyped that I got this finally installed, finally got it arrived. That was like my main concern, is like, oh my god, it's coming from out of the country. Hopefully it doesn't get lost through customs or whatever, because I've heard of some stories happening like that. But look at this flat bottom. Guys, this steering wheel is just like in prestige condition. Like, I'm very happy with the quality of the work. And like I said, if you guys want to go hit that guy up for custom made BMW steering wheels, go hit him up on eBay. We're gonna go ahead and start this back up, go get the battery connected, and I'm gonna go get some GoPro footage so you guys can see.
Yeah, riding round with the windows down, got me feeling too breezy, burned out, yeah, we smelling like loud, made this shit look easy, boy, I just had me a milli, I step my guap to the ceiling, yeah, bro boy, don't act like you feel me, nah, bro boy, don't act like you feel me, I'm riding round with the windows down, got me feeling too breezy, burned out, yeah, we smelling like loud, made this shit look easy, boy, I just had me a milli, yeah, I step my guap to the ceiling, yeah, bro boy, don't act like you feel me, nah, bro boy, don't act like you feel me, nah, baby girl, what you tryna do with me? I can tell that you vibing with my steez. How you get all of that inside them jeans? You can hop in the ride and slide with me and your friend, like, girl, we tryna leave. You can bring in your friends, I brought the team. Take this to the crib and roll the weed. Take this to the crib and roll the weed. Ooh, fuck with a young rich boy like me. I been getting money every day this week. Pulled up clean in a new 6-speed. Girl, let me know just what you need. Tell me what you wanna do, I got you. We can turn up, we can pop bottles. Girl, say the word, let's dip. I can see you front seat of the whip. Riding round with the windows down, got me feeling too breezy, burned out, yeah, we smelling like loud, made this shit look easy, boy, I just had me a milli, I step my guap to the ceiling, yeah, bro boy, don't act like you feel me, nah, bro boy, don't act like you feel me, I'm riding round with the windows down, got me feeling too breezy, burned out, yeah, we smelling like loud, made this shit look easy, boy, I just had me a milli, I step my guap to the ceiling, yeah, bro boy, don't act like you feel me, nah, bro boy, don't act like you feel me,
baby girl, what you tryna do? Got a car full of bras and a model too, got so many hoes that I gotta choose, ain't never done shit that I gotta prove, and I'ma tell the truth, don't follow me, I'm a fiend for the cash, can't fall asleep, count cash, no shit when I fall asleep, don't trip, baby girl, don't fall for me, and that's honestly, I'ma hold it down, never fold around, don't yield to the bag, I go around, don't drip with the swag, I float around, got 4 bags, I hold them now, I'm a rock star, like Smash Mouth, in a cop car, might crash out, then a drop top, got cash out, she started she passed out. Like big babe, take little babe, smoke big gas, got big stain. No beef shit, no beef phrase. You a tadpole in the Shark Tank. Treat every day like my last day. On a Friday, on the highway, sip Grey Goose, no Bombay. In a Cadillac, sit sideways, little
Ride
bitch.
round with the windows down, got me feeling too breezy. Burned out, yeah, we smelling like loud. Made this shit look easy, boy, I just had me a milli. I step my guap to the ceiling, yeah. Roboy, don't act like you feel me, nah. Roboy, don't act like you feel me. I'm right round with the windows down,